Today I will be showcasing you a 3 BHK apartment for sale, location Hiranandani Meadows, Thane West. आपका exit रहेगा north. Per floor you have 4 apartments, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 fire exit, 3 high speed elevator, 2 fire exit back to the apartment. As you enter the apartment you are greeted by this spacious L-shaped living and dining area. Living and dining area में आपको मिलती है marble flooring. Rest everywhere you have vitrified tiles. Living section is complemented by a balcony. Balcony वैसे इतनी बड़ी नहीं है, but you can convert this balcony into a green space by adding प्लांट्स इन हियर. यहाँ से आपको व्यू मिलता है हीरानंदानी की कमर्शियल बिल्डिंग का. नीचे आपको व्यू मिलता है पोडियम कार पार्क का. In the living section you can add TV unit in here. On the opposite end you could add a couch in here. The dining section can easily accommodate 6 to 8 seater dining table. Freshly painted apartment है. Approximate height रहेगी इस apartment की 9.5 feet. This is your kitchen which comes with L-shaped platform. Cabinets already हैं. ऊपर आप use कर सकते हैं for storage purposes. You have window in here for fresh ventilation. Exhaust fan लगा हुआ है. This space is for your refrigerator. इस तरफ you have this space which you can use it for your washing machine and dishwasher. ओनर ने यहाँ पर सीढ़ियाँ बनाई हैं so that you can access this space. So either you can use this space for washing machine or dishwasher, or you can use this space as a storage space. On my left, this is your bedroom number 1, which has got a laminated wooden flooring. You get full size window in here. ऊपर वाला part operational है, नीचे वाला part fixed है. You see this hollow space in here. आप यहाँ पर plants add कर सकते हैं. You get the same view which you had seen in the living section. This bedroom is perfect for your guest. This is common washroom, comes with American standard fittings. इसका फॉर्मेट कुछ ऐसा रहेगा. दिस इज योर WC एरिया, वॉश बेसिन एरिया एंड योर शावर एरिया. अगर आप यहाँ पर ग्लास पार्टीशन ऐड करते हैं तो यू गेट योर वेट एंड ड्राई एरिया सेपरेटेड. बेडरूम नंबर 2. This bedroom is perfect for the senior member of the family, or you can use this bedroom as a children's bedroom. Again you get full size window in here. आपका बेड आ जाएगा probably यहाँ पर आ जाएगा आपका vanity. This is the attached washroom with same sort of format which you had seen in the common washroom. Bedroom number 3, which is biggest of all. इस बेडरूम में you get a wardrobe niche, full size window. आप यहाँ पर plants ऐड कर सकते हैं. यहाँ से भी आपको व्यू मिलता है पोडियम कार पार्क का और हीरानंदानी की कमर्शियल बिल्डिंग का. इस तरफ है आपका अटैच वॉशरूम. द फॉर्मेट इज बिट डिफरेंट इन हियर. यहाँ पर है आपका वॉश बेसिन. द WC you can add a glass partition in here and you have a shower area, plus you get bit of a storage space as well. Carpet size of this apartment is 1050 square feet, comes with 2 podium car park. This particular apartment is at a lower middle floor of a 27-story tower. अगर मैं मेंटेनेंस की बात करूं तो अप्रॉक्सीमेट मेंटेनेंस इज 8,000 रुपीज पर फ्लोर. यू हैव 4 अपार्टमेंट्स एज आई सेड. अमेनिटीज़ की अगर मैं बात करूं, यू कैन एंजॉय ऑल सॉर्ट ऑफ लग्जरी अमेनिटीज़ इन हियर. नियर बाय यू हैव हॉस्पिटल्स, स्कूल्स, कॉफी शॉप, बेसिकली सब कुछ. द आस्किंग प्राइस of this apartment is 3 crore 6 lakh negotiable. For more details you can call us on the number which is on the screen or check the description below. Thank you so much. Bye bye.